हाय एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम बैक। मेरा पहले वाला वीडियो आप देखा होगा। द सेकंड पार्ट मीन कंटिन्यूएशन। So the last class we studied about auxiliary verb, usage of auxiliary verb. There are 5 forms in a verb: present form, past form, past participle form, present participle form, simple form. See the 5 forms: write, wrote, written, writing, writes, run, ran, run, running, runs, keep, kept, kept, keeping, keeps, sing, sang, sung, singing, sings, read, 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 reading, reads, watch, watched, watched, watching, watches. See, there are 5 forms in it. How many verbs are there in English? We can make complete sentence verbs, these 5 forms. So I challenge you, you must try to write the verb, find out the verbs and change these verbs in the 5 form. It is very easy to study. So you collect maximum verbs and try to change these 5 forms: present form, past form, past participle form, present participle form and simple form. I told you there are 24 auxiliary verbs in English. Auxiliary verbs total 24. So I am going to explain one by one. First auxiliary verb we wrote am. See, am, am. These auxiliary verb we only use with I subject. I subject. See, am. We can write this sentence in 5 ways, mainly 4 ways. One, positive sentence. Number 2, negative sentence. Number 3, question sentence. Number 4, see, positive sentence. We can also call this affirmative sentence. Then negative sentence. Third, question sentence means interrogative sentence. Number 4 is negative question sentence, means negative interrogative sentence. One question we can also write it W or H question sentence. See, 5. Now we are going to use those 4 sentences: positive sentence, negative sentence, question sentence, negative question sentence and a WH question sentence. I am going to teach you am with a noun and am with verb. See, I am with noun and I am with verb. So see, I am a student. See, this is a noun. See, I am a student. See, then I am a boy. teacher. I am a player. So we can use with am. I am a student. मैं एक विद्यार्थी हूं. I am a boy. मैं एक लड़का हूं. I am a teacher. मैं एक अध्यापक हूं. I am a player. मैं एक खिलाड़ी हूं. See this four sentence use only with I. I am a student. I am a boy. I am a teacher. I am a player. There are four sentences. So am with noun. This is a noun. This is also noun. This student, boy, teacher and player. These are nouns. So am with a noun. I am a student. See, this is an affirmative sentence, means positive sentence. This sentence we can write, I am not a student. See, मैं एक विद्यार्थी हूं, मैं एक विद्यार्थी नहीं हूं. I am a student, I am not a student. So this sentence, look at this sentence. The auxiliary verb we write in the first term, and am I a student? The question mark. क्या मैं एक विद्यार्थी हूं? Am I a student? So these three sentences. Am I not a student? Question mark. This is the positive sentence. We already studied about mainly four type of sentence. See, I am a student. This is the positive sentence. I am not a student. Negative sentence. Am I a student? That is a question sentence. Am I not a sentence? Negative question sentence. See, these are the difference. I am a student. मैं एक विद्यार्थी हूं. I am not a student. मैं एक विद्यार्थी नहीं हूं. Am I a student? क्या मैं एक विद्यार्थी हूं? Am I not a student? क्या मैं एक विद्यार्थी नहीं हूं? See, there are four sentences. We are studying about am plus a noun. Again we can write sentence. I am a boy. I am not a boy. Am I a boy? Many sentences we can make it. The first we study am plus noun. These are the example. Repeat this example and you can make many sentences in your own sentences. See, am with verb. See the sentence. I am reading a book. See this sentence. I am reading a book. I is the subject. Am is the auxiliary verb. Reading is verb plus ing, means present participle. Present participle. Form. These are the object. See the structure of this sentence. I is the subject. Am is the auxiliary verb. A reading is main verb, means present participle form of the verb. A book. I am reading a book. मैं एक subject. Am is the auxiliary verb. Writing. Write plus ing. Writing a letter. I am writing a letter. मैं एक पत्र लिख रहा हूं. I am writing a letter. See, I am writing a letter. We are studying the use of am. The auxiliary verb, use of am we are studying. Am. I am reading a book. I am writing a letter. I am watching TV. I am washing my clothes. I am cooking. No object. We can write the object, no problem. But without object, the sentence can stand. I am cooking. I am playing. I am cooking. I am playing. I am listening. I am watching. I am sitting. I am standing. I am going. I am coming. I am eating. I am taking. I am sitting. We can make many sentences. But see, am is only joined with I. These are the very important. Find out I. See, I am reading a book. I am writing a letter. I am watching TV. I am washing my clothes. I am cooking. I am painting. I am standing. I am sitting. I am reading. I am thinking. I am dancing. I am singing. We can make many sentences. See this sentence. I am writing a letter. This is the positive sentence. I am not writing a letter. Am I writing a letter? Am I not writing a letter? What am I writing? See, this is the positive sentence. This is the negative sentence. This is the question sentence. This is the negative interrogative sentence. This is the WH question sentence. See, I am writing a letter. मैं एक पत्र लिख रहा हूं. I am not writing a letter. मैं एक पत्र नहीं लिख रहा हूं. Am I writing a letter? क्या मैं एक पत्र लिख रहा हूं? Am I not writing a letter? क्या मैं एक पत्र नहीं लिख रहा हूं? What am I writing? मैं क्या लिख रहा हूं? These ways, this is a sentence number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. We can make this sentence in 5 times. Then see this sentence also. I am reading a book. मैं एक किताब पढ़ रहा हूं. I am not reading a book. मैं एक किताब नहीं पढ़ रहा हूं. Am I reading a book? क्या मैं एक किताब पढ़ रहा हूं? Am I not reading a book? क्या मैं एक किताब नहीं पढ़ रहा हूं? What am I reading? मैं क्या पढ़ रहा हूं? See, these ways we can change this sentence in 5 ways. So, look at the board very clearly and find out in what ways I wrote this. So, you can write in your copy also, and again and again you can write this sentence. Okay, we are studying the use of auxiliary verbs. First auxiliary verb we already studied. The next auxiliary verb is coming, the next video. So you just wait and eagerly you wait. The next video is coming very soon. Thank you everybody.